16 Max, exercise 4.1, practical geometry. You are going to draw similar triangles. So, in your first exercise, you have similar triangles. How to construct similar triangles? So, first sum, that is your 10th sum. 10th sum and 11th sum are similar of the same method. Okay, 12th and 13th are of the same method. Now, we will see the 10th sum so that you can draw your 11th sum yourself. Construct a triangle similar to a given triangle PQR with its sides equal to 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle PQR. That is, you are going to draw a similar triangle for PQR. So, this is PQR is your triangle. So, first of all, you mark one point as here. You must always remember your denominator with the value of the denominator will be your triangles. You are going to draw an equilateral triangle. So, all the three sides are of the same length of your denominator. For all these sums, remember, according to the denominator, you will take the denominator to be the length of the sides of an equilateral triangle. So, 3 centimeter, I have drawn one line for 3 centimeter. This is your PQ. So, similar, you have measured for 3 centimeter. Take your compass, measure with your scale for 3 centimeter. Use your compass to draw a similar triangle. Okay. So, now I am drawing an arc from here for 3 centimeter. Then another arc from here for 3 centimeter. So, I am constructing a triangle with the length of the denominator of the given fraction. So, your fraction is 2 by 3 means, so I am drawing one triangle with 3 centimeter or 3 of the 3 sides, because that is your equilateral triangle has some area length of 3 centimeter. So, this is all the 3 sides are 3 centimeter. So, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Next, what you have to do is, you take your scale and draw one line below your PQ. So, this is PQ. In this line also can be of 3 centimeter. So, 1, 2, 3, up to this you have. Okay, this is your line. Okay. You are drawing a line for 3 centimeter. So, down also see that it is for 3 centimeter. You can measure, keep points 1, 2 and 3. I have divided into 3 points. So, this is your P1, P2, P3. Okay. So, now they have asked you to draw 2 by 3. That is, consider join these two. These 2 points can be joined. That is the last 2 points. This is P3 and Q I am joining. Then they asked you to draw one line for 2 by 3. So, you take P2. From here, you take one, you draw one arc. Measure with your for 1 centimeter you have, and you draw an arc like this. Then, you draw another arc from here. So, you have got one line. So, this is, you can draw one arc like this. After drawing an arc, you can join this. So, this is for 1 centimeter I have drawn an arc. From here one arc fully. Then from here P1 I am drawing another arc. Okay. Now, same way, keep your compass like this. Again, same with 1 centimeter as radius. You are drawing another arc. Then from here you draw another arc. So, you have got one point here. So, you join this. This is your line. Okay. So, now we have drawn one similar triangle. Name this as Q dash. This is your R means this is your R dash. So, I have constructed one similar triangle. Remember, 3 centimeter means your denominator is 3 means for 3 centimeter you will draw one triangle here. Then you draw another line downwards. Divide it into 3 points. That is, line also must be of 3 centimeter. So that you can equally divide this P1, P2, P3. After this, they have given 2 means you will take up P2. From the point P2, you will keep your compass like this and you will draw for 1 centimeter. You can draw an arc. Then from here, that is from P1, I am drawing another arc. Then you get a point means draw that and see that it touches a line PQ. So, from PQ again you draw another 1 centimeter arc, and from here another 1 centimeter arc. You get a point and then just join this so that it reaches PR. So, that is your R dash. So, I have drawn one similar triangle. Okay.